the Loop. This is Katherine Thompson. We are doing Niagara Falls helicopter. I am very nervous, but this is my first time for my fear. But Joel Lane here wanted to say something, right, Joel?
I'm going to enjoy doing this. We're going to be going over the falls. This is some action here, y'all. It's going to be energetic. I can't even explain it. And it's going to be fun being up where all the action's at.
Thanks for being in the loop, but let's enjoy this ride.
I'm getting on that spinning rotation thing over there. Looks like I can cut cheese faster than a cheese grater, you know? But the thing is, we are always up and ready for a challenge. And ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be no different. And if you don't ask me, just ask Katherine over here.
Oh yes, definitely. We're not going to be nervous this time. Because that thing I'm going to be on, this is for my parents. My mom, my dad, and my sister. I love you both.
Have fun, and there's nothing in life to fear except fear itself. Yeah, I'm just enjoying this right now, folks. Man, I feel awesome because you know what? We're sky high now, people. Oh, we're still going. It's crazy up here.
I got my fear. I got this. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
It's unreal what's going on up here. It's an experience to see for yourself. Yo, man, I'm on the chopper, you know, with my pal Hugo. We're flying around the Niagara Falls on this chopper. Don't act like you don't know. Me going sky high. You know that's what we do. Because you know me, it's me and my crew. We have all day, man, because it's fun. Man, and if you're scared of y'all, man, you people better run. Because you know why? We're doing everything. Because we have so much criteria. It's good news for a change with me and my 3 people from In the Loop Media.
I loved it. I can see it. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, In the Loop.
This is awesome. You go on that thing, you will see stuff that you've never seen before.
My favorite part is overcoming my fear.
I went on that thing and I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere yet. So peace from In the Loop Media.